Students, good morning, learn students. See, next two chapters, there is a fourth chapters, that is a theoretically concepts of OS. That is a operating system. OS means operating system. So the chapter name also theoretically concepts of OS. This is a theoretically concept is only is there. What is what? Just you can imagine and think. Okay, already this concept already you know that, but you can recall. Okay, just easily I will teach you. So listen carefully. That is the first heading. That is the intro to software. What is software? That is a intro to software. Software means what, sir? Software means what? The software is a set of instruction into the perform to specific task. Software means, sir, my brother, you can software side is there, sir. He is what are doing? Just you can developing the program. That program that is a instruct to that person. Okay, that is called to software. The software is a set of instruction. The particular performing the task you can find out. That is called to software. The software has two types of software is there. One is application software. The second is system software. What do you meaning the application? What do you meaning the system? So two software is there. The two software is there. The two software, what and all is mean? Application means application oriented. That's application means, for example, MS Word is there, no? That is application software. Game is there, no? Game, many things is there, no? That is called to application software. So system software means the system oriented. That is a system oriented means that is a OS. Example for system software means OS. OS is not there means your system is not worked. That is a system. That is a system software. That is next one, compiler. Compiler is not there means every coding didn't work. Next one, language processor. So these and all call system software. So system software only you can managing in the system. Sir, everything is a set of instructions, sir. That is the MS Word also some set of instructions. That is a set of programming. The set of programming is there. The system software means the computer programming is there. Computer program. This is what set of program. Set of program alone. Remaining all the things computer managed. But system software means what? System program only if you manage that. That is a system software. That is called to system software. So very carefully you can read. There is examples also I will teach you. That is a theoretically. So very carefully you can listen. Sir, first I will teach you OS. OS also I'll teach you. So this is a OS. Sir, OS means operating system. OS is a operating system. Sir, OS operating system means, what does it means? OS is a system software. Already I told. This is a system software. This is a system software. So this software, what and all you can using means that is a each and everything you can control. That is a overall peripheral devices. Overall peripheral devices. The overall control for the computer. Overall control for the computer. Sir, what and all control? Input device, output device. Then what is this? Other peripheral devices. Other peripheral device means printer, then speaker. So all the things you can capture that. The computer first you can switch on means the first open OS. The OS is all the system you can manage. All the system software or application software or hardwares, all the things you can manage that. Sir, in case in keyboard you disconnect or monitor you can disconnect this. What is this? Some information share with in the monitor. Sir, monitor also defect means system didn't on. One peak sound will come. That is the identification to CPU wire is disconnect or monitor wire you can disconnect. That is called to what? That is a OS performance. That is called to system software, the computer program. That is a computer program. So very carefully you can listen to this topic. That is a concept only is there. Each and everything is there. Okay. The switch on your system means the system is loaded. First one, the memory automatically loaded. The memory automatically loaded. System if you on means that is a OS only. You can operate all the efficiently manage to all resource. All resource. Resource means all these all the things equal resource. That is called to OS. Okay. The OS, it is a different types of OS is there. Different types of OS. Types of OS is there. One is single user OS. Next one, multiple user OS. Single user OS, then multiple user OS. There is a many user is there. So you can use, that is a OS is, one more OS also is there. Many OS is there. That is a Android OS also is there. That is a OS is a Android OS also is there. Android means what? That is a mobile communication is there, no. Mobile using that, no. That is called to mobile OS. Mobile OS. Sir, OS what and all control, sir? This OS. There is a OS is there, no. The OS what and all control means application software. Application software. Next one what? System software or hardware. Hardware also we can control. That is a each and everything you can control. Who is user? That is a user. User means for me or we. Okay. You all of them, then user. That is called to user. The single user OS, then multiple user OS means, that is a single user means at a time only one person only you can work. That is called to single user OS. For example, MS-DOS. MS-DOS. That is a single user OS. Sir, multiple user OS means at a time many person if you work. At a time it is used to computer in laptop allowed the same data on applications accessed in multiple user at a same time. That is called to what? That is a OS. That is called to multiple user OS. Okay. That is a multiple OS. The famous one, that is a two things. That is a Linux and Unix and Windows. The famous one, this and all, this OS you can using for bank and all you can use. This OS for, that is a school and all you can use that. So this is called to OS. So OS very clearly. So each and everything I will give the hint. So today you can see your book and listen what is OS, what are the types of OS is there, what is software, what under types is there, each and everything I will teach you. So you see the book and listen. Okay, thank you students.